Okay, the adhesive I put on the decoder stuck. I made it just elastic enough that this thing went on very easily. And the lights are in place. These are free, both ends. This one kind of has a tendency to kind of work on the stuff inside, but it still turns easily. So I'm going to put it on the track so I can find it with all this garbage in here. There we go. With Digitrax decoders, I try not to have the power on the track when I put them on because it gives a power spike, and they seem to be a little bit more sensitive to a power spike than the other decoders. That was too easy. Makes me wonder if I actually did it right, but I guess I did. So I'm going to plug in the Tech 6. It's in reverse, so the backup light is on. We put it in forward. Turn on the light. And we're going to give it a little juice. And I got a dirty track. Put it in reverse. I think the brake sound needs to be corrected a little bit. Put it back and forward. Ring its bell. Okay, I'll take the camera off so we can get a look at the lights. I got those golden glows in there, and they are really, really bright. And again, you can adjust the sound if you want it louder or a little bit quieter. Streetcars typically aren't very loud, so I think we've succeeded. So I'm going to turn this off for just a second, then we'll come back and take a look at it with the camera down where we can get a little bit better video of it operating.